Hello and welcome dear students to your own channel. So today we are going to start exercise 5.2 from question number 11. In last video we did till question number 10. So now let us start. Hope you are enjoying the video. Please take out your rough notebook and do with me. Okay. So we are starting question number 11. So what is question number 11? Question number 11 is which term of AP? AP is given to you 3, 15, 27, 39 up to so on. So they are asking which term. So I am saying let nth term. Okay. Nth term. So which term of AP will be 132 more than 54th term? Nth term of AP is 132 more than its 54th term. Okay. So what does it means? तो हमें क्या निकालना है कि कौन सा टर्म, नंबर ऑफ टर्म, ठीक है, n की वैल्यू निकालनी है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ n. सो व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू? ओके. सो विच टर्म ऑफ AP, लेट वी से nth टर्म ऑफ AP is 132 more than the 54th term. Okay. तो ये हमें ये निकालना है. So we can find the value of D from here. So before that I am finding the value of D. What is D? 15 minus 3. What is 15 minus 3? 12. Okay. So D is 12. And we are given that nth term is 132 more than the 54th term. So which term? So we have to find the value of n. Okay. So put the formula of nth term. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to A 54th term. A plus n minus 1. What is n minus 1? N minus 1 is 53. Okay. Because it is 54th term. N minus 1 into D plus 132. Look at here. A to A cancel. So we can substitute the value of D from here 12. So I am substituting the value of D 12 is equals to 53 into 12 plus 132. Let me bring this side. Okay, so before that I am opening the bracket. So what is 12n minus 12 minus 53 into 12, or okay, 53 into 12 equals to 132. So we have to find the value of n. Okay, so let us solve these two first. 12n minus 53 into 12. So we'll multiply 53 into 12. So what is 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5, 6, 3, 6. Okay. So minus 12. So minus 12 minus 6, 3, 6 is equals to 130. So we'll solve this. So which shows 12n minus minus plus 6, 7, 8, 3 and 1, 4, 648 minus equals to 132. Let us bring this side. It will become add. It will be added to this. 132 plus 648. So 12n equals to 8, 9, 10 ka 0 carry over 1, 3, 4, 8 and 6 and 1, 7. So therefore n is equals to 780 divided by 12. 12 7s are 84. 12 6 are 72. 72. 6 is left. 12 5s are 60. So therefore 65th term. Okay. 65th term, nth term is 132 more than 54. Okay. So you will write in whole sentence. Therefore 65th term is 154 more than the 54th term. So we got the value of n. Okay. So now question number 12. What is question number 12 is? 2 APs. 12th is 2 APs have the same common difference. So there are 2 AP. So let the first AP is A1, A2, A3 up to so on. Okay. It's 100th term and it's 1000th term and it's nth term. This is first AP. This is AP1 and the second AP, AP2. What we can write? A1 dash first term dash. A2 dash dash means this is the second term but different from this. A3 dash up to so on. A100 dash A1000 dash, okay, and A and it dash. So there are two APs. So what they are saying, their common difference is same. Okay, so what means difference between these two term is D, then difference between these two term is D. Okay, so the common difference is same. So we'll write common difference is D. Okay, so now what they are saying, the difference between their 100th term is 100. तो इन दोनों का 100 term का difference क्या है? तो what is given to us? Difference between their 100th term, इन दोनों का difference कितना है? 100. तो this is given to us. Okay. What is the difference between their 1000 term? तो हमें 1000 term का difference निकालना है. So that means we have to find the difference between its 1000 term. Okay, दोनों का 1000 term का difference कितना होगा? ठीक है. So whenever we are doing this, जो given दिया होता है, we always take that. Okay, so we are starting from given. यहाँ से लेके चलते हैं. ठीक है. Given से हमें कुछ मिलेगा, something we will get, we will use that in finding this. Okay, so we are given solution. Okay, because we are given a 100th term minus a dash 100th term, this 100th term is equals to 100. Okay, this we are given. So now substitute the value of this. So a nth term, nth term means 100th term. A nth term का formula से रखेंगे तो what is a plus n minus 1, 100 minus 1, 99 into d, keep in bracket, minus a plus n minus 1 into d, we will just substitute in this. A dash plus n minus 1, 99 into d, d will put same. Okay, equals to 100 because the common difference is same. Now open the bracket. This is a1. Okay, so now a1 plus 99d minus a1 dash minus 99d equals to 100. So now these two are cancelled out. So therefore what we got, a1 minus a1 dash equals to 100. That is the equation number 2. तो हमें what is given to us, from given we got this. Now what we have to find, this we have to find. ठीक है. So we will start from this. What we have to find, we will start with that. We will find that one. So let us find. So we have to find that therefore a 1000 term minus a dash 1000 term, हमें इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है. ओके, what is the difference between? तो a nth term means a plus n minus 1, 999d, 999 d, keep in bracket, minus a1 dash a plus n minus 1, 999d. Of what will the value of this we have to find? Okay, open the bracket. So a1 plus 999d minus a1 dash minus plus minus minus 999d. So what is cancelled out? These two are cancelled out, which shows a1 minus a1 dash. Okay, ये मिल गया हमें. तो what is the value of a1 minus a1 dash? We already get 100. Okay, so which is equals to 100. So from equation 2 we have written. Okay, so that means we have to find what is the difference between 1000 term and 1000 term of second AP. So it is 100. Okay, so what will start? Now we will start question number 13. Okay, hope it is much clear to you. Okay, you are enjoying it. I am enjoying because it is only the calculation part. Okay, nothing, only you have to find the nth term. You have to learn only the formula of nth term, nothing else. So let us start our 13th term, 13th question. And this question is very important for the point of view of board examination. Okay, so what is we got? What is the question? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? 7 से कितने 3-digit number divisible होते हैं? ठीक है. Let n 3-digit numbers. Okay, and 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Okay, अब we are doing first and rough. ठीक है, तो 3-digit number जो AP बनाएंगे we will form a AP of that. तो 3-digit number का smallest number कितना होता है 100 और 3-digit number का largest number कितना होता है 999. लेकिन 7 से ये divisible नहीं है. ठीक है, so and 9 are not divisible by 7. So what we can do, what will do, see, because 3 digit number it will be more than 100, डेफिनेटली 100 से ज़्यादा होगा जो डिविजिबल होगा, और 999 से कम होगा. 999 से बड़ा होगा तो it will be 4 digit number. If it will be less than 100, it will be 2 digit number. Okay, so what we'll do in rough, we will divide it by 7. Okay, both the side. So now 7 ones are 7, 3 is left, 0, 7 fours are 28, 2 is left. Okay, here see, 7 ones are 7, 2, 29, 7 fours are 28, 1 is left, 19, 7 twos are 14, 5 is left. Okay, so what was there, ये जो रिमाइंडर है इसमें ऐड करना है ना, ठीक है, लेकिन 100 में 2 ऐड नहीं करेंगे. दिस यू जस्ट सी, इसमें से 7 से डिविजिबल है, 7 में से 2 माइनस करो तो 5, 100 में 5 ऐड करो, समथिंग शुड बी एडेड इन दिस. और यहाँ पर 999 से कम होना चाहिए तो 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो सीधे यहाँ से. ओके, सो 100 प्लस 5, so the AP is 105 up to so on. और last term, which is the last term, this is 999 minus 5, that means 994. Okay, so this is your AP. So this is divisible by 7. Okay, so let us see, let us make the AP from this. So 107, then the next number is 7 add kar do isme because it should be divisible by 7. 112. Okay, then 7, 119 and up to so on, and last number is that. Okay, so what we want, how many terms are there, we have to find the value of n. तो how many terms, जो last term nth term होगा वो जो वाला term होगा, जिस नंबर का term होगा उतने ही term होंगे. अगर ये 100th term है तो इसमें 100 term होंगे. Okay, so we have to find the value of n. So we will use, what is a, 105, what is d, d is obviously 7, what is nth term, 994. Okay, so substitute from in that formula, because we know a nth term is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a nth term is 994 is equals to, what is the value of a from here, you can tell me. A, what is a here, 105. So we can write it as 105 plus n. What is n, we have to find, minus 1 into d is 7. Bring this 105 this side, 904 minus 105 is equals to n minus 1 into 7. 5. 9 is left, 8, and then 9 minus 1, 889 equals to 9 minus 1 into 7. Bring 7 this side. So therefore n minus 1 is equals to 889 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 1, 7 twos are 14, 4, 7 sevens are 49. So therefore n is equals to 127, and 1 you send this side plus 1, so n is equals to 128. So how many 3 digit numbers are there which is divisible by 7? How many? 128. Okay, so we'll write therefore 128 3 digit numbers are divisible by 7. Okay, so this is your 13th question. Okay, it's clear, and this question is important also. Okay, so same way we will start question number 14. So question number 14, what is question number 14? Till then I am erasing the board, you can do your calculation. Okay, don't waste your time, don't sit like this. Okay, so now question number 14 is, what is question number 14? How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? ठीक है, तो we have to find number of multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250. ठीक है, तो इन दोनों के बीच में 4 के कितने मल्टीपल्स होंगे? तो लेट अस फॉर्म अ एपी फर्स्ट. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या होगा एपी का? 10 से बड़ा, तो 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 अप टू सो ऑन. लेकिन लास्ट टर्म 250 नहीं होगा. लास्ट टर्म कितना होगा? 250 से छोटा ही होगा. इट शुड नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन 250. तो 250 4 से डिविजिबल नहीं है. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इन रफ, सेम लाइक दिस, 250 डिवाइड बाय 4, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 1 is left, 0, 4 2s are 8, 2 is left. तो इसमें से 2 माइनस कर दो. ठीक है, तो 248. 248 is the last term. Okay, so like this we have to do as we did in that. Okay, and these questions are very important. Again and again I am telling you. So what we have to do? Number of multiples. So how many terms are there? We have to find. We have to find the value of n. Okay, so what we got? A is 12, D is obviously 4, and a nth term is 248. So therefore by formula, a nth term is equals to a plus n minus 1 into D. What is a nth term? 248 equals to a is 12 plus n minus 1. What is D? 4. Bring 12 this side. So 248 minus 12 is equals to n minus 1 into 4. 6, 3, 2 is equals to n minus 1 into 4. 236 divided by 4 is n minus 1. 4 5s are 20. 3 is that 4 9s are 36. So n is equals to 59 plus 1. That means 60 terms. Okay. So how many numbers are there? 60 numbers, which lies between 10 into 50 and divisible by 4. Okay. This type of questions are very important. Again I have repeated. So now we will start from question number, we will do now question number 15. Okay, and two AP are given to you. The first AP and the second AP are given to you. Okay, so what is the first AP? First AP is 63, 65, 67 and up to so on in it term. Okay, same way we got 3, 10, 17 n term. Okay, for what value of n? n की किस वैल्यू के लिए the nth term of two APs are equal. इसका मतलब इनके nth term बराबर है, तो इसको हम a dash n कह देते हैं. ठीक है, तो n की वैल्यू निकालनी है. तो first we will find the common difference for first AP. Okay, for first AP, what is a? 63. What is D? 65 minus 63, 2. Okay, and for second AP, what is A? 3. What is D? 10 minus 3. That means 7. Okay, so what is given to you? Their nth term are equal. So given है हमें a n is equals to a dash n. तो इन दोनों के nth term equal है. तो we have to find the value of n. कि कौन सा term होगा जिसमें ये दोनों equal होंगे. Okay. So now a nth term, put the formula a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to a dash plus n minus 1 into d dash. Okay. What is the value of a in first AP? 63 plus n की वैल्यू तो हमें फाइंड करनी है into d first AP में कितना है? 2 is equals to a dash first AP में कितना है? 3 plus n minus 1. What is d in second AP? 7. Okay. So let us solve this. 3 को अगर मैं यहाँ लेके आऊँ तो 63 minus 3 60 हो गया, प्लस इसको अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर लो 2n minus 2 equals to 7n minus 7. ओके, अब what will do? n को एक साइड, नंबर से एक साइड, तो 60 minus 2 58 हो गया, प्लस 7 इधर ले आओ equals to यहाँ 7n, 2n इधर minus 2n. So 57 plus 58 plus 7 68 65. 65 equals to 5n. So therefore n is equals to 65 divided by 5. That means 5 is a 5, 5 is a 15. So 13th term. So that means therefore 13th term of two APs are equal. इसका मतलब दोनों AP के 13 term क्या है? Equal है. Okay. This was a 15th question. Hope you are understanding it. Okay. Please do it very properly because these questions are very important. So till then, in this video we are doing only 5 questions. 5 questions we will do in next video. Otherwise, the lecture will become a little boring, and I don't think that you will get bored. Okay, so whatever you are doing, do with full interest. Okay, so first practice these 5 questions. In the next 5 questions we will do in next video. Okay, so till then, Please do like and share the video. Don't forget it. And bye bye. Keep on practicing.